Hi, so this video is going to cover Module 7, Explore More, which is on page 193 of your textbook, and in your student notebook you'll be writing your results on page 205. So this isn't an official experiment. This is not what you'll use for your lab report, but this is the Explore More that we would have done in class today if we were able to meet. So for this, and if you have these things at home, feel free to get them and try this yourself. If you don't, you can watch this video. So what we're going to need is distilled vinegar, white distilled vinegar, a measuring cup, some baking soda, a balloon, a tablespoon. The instructions say a knife, but I'm actually going to use a funnel, so a knife or a funnel. And then we're going to need a bottle. So just a 2-liter bottle. All right, so what we're going to do is it says to add 3/4 cup of vinegar to a clean, empty 2-liter bottle. So I have my measuring cup. I'm going to find on it where it says 3/4 cup and very carefully pour my vinegar to the 3/4 cup line. And then I'm going to carefully pour that into my 2-liter. Just like that. All right, then it says blow up a balloon and then let the air out again to stretch it out a bit. So we're going to blow this up just a little bit. I'm going to do that twice just to get it kind of stretched. All right. Now it says to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the empty balloon using a butter knife. Like I said, I happen to have a funnel, so I'm just going to use the funnel to get the baking soda into my balloon. So here I'm going to like this. And it said 2 tablespoons. So here's 1 tablespoon. And here's 2 tablespoons. Okay. So make sure it gets all down into there. So there's 2 tablespoons of baking soda in this balloon. Next, it says to attach the balloon to the bottle by stretching the balloon's opening over the bottle's lip. So we're just going to take the balloon, stretch it over the lip of the bottle, like this. Now it says, lift the balloon and shake it a bit so the baking soda falls into the vinegar. All right, so we're going to lift the balloon and shake it. And as it's doing that, we can see the balloon expanding. Back this up a little bit. So we can also see in our bottle there's a lot of bubbling going on here, and it is filling up our balloon with gas. And actually there's more baking soda in my balloon still. All right. Says you should notice the balloon expand with gas. The gas created from this reaction is carbon dioxide, which is one of the gases in our atmosphere. As more of it was made, the molecules were forced to bump into each other and push against the sides of the bottle and the balloon. Because the balloon is flexible, it stretched outward. The air pressure of the gas increased. So, I don't know if you can hear this, but I can hear gas coming out, hissing out of this apparatus here. So now that you've seen what happens, it says here in your notebook on page 205, draw your bottle balloon apparatus after you mix the baking soda with the white vinegar. All right? Or take a picture and paste it here. So if you do this on your own at home, you can take a picture. If you just watched me do it, draw a picture of the bottle with the balloon, the vinegar, and all the bubbles and gas that were created for this experiment.